Hey, remember the power of a simple comma from our last episode? A tiny punctuation mark that saved Grandma's life last time. It saved her and us from a potentially awkward situation. Now imagine this. When you are having a conversation, there are no commas to save you. Constructing sentences correctly when speaking is your lifeline. It ensures that you convey the intended message and avoid unintended confusion. Welcome back to Speak Better, Write Better. In this episode, we will learn some essential tips to construct proper sentences in English. So, if you don't want to be the unexpected headliner in a linguistic comedy show, then keep on watching. Tip number 1. Practice speaking regularly. Engage in conversations with your friends, join language exchange groups, or use free language learning apps to sharpen your speaking skills. Don't forget, regular practice is the key. Tip number 2. Slow down. Speaking too fast can lead to misunderstandings. Slow down your pace to ensure that your words are clear and easy to follow. Did you just understand any of that? No, right? That's what I'm saying. Slow down your pace so that your words are clear and easy to follow. Speaking too fast can lead to misunderstandings. I am too worried about my future. Well, what can I say? If you pronounce like that, you should be worried about your future. And that brings us to our tip number 3. Enunciate clearly. Pay attention to your pronunciation. Clear enunciation enhances understanding and overall clarity in your speech. Tip number 4. Use proper verb tenses. Using them correctly is crucial. Practice using past, present and future tenses appropriately to avoid confusion when speaking. So, instead of saying, I am going to the store yesterday, say, I went to the store yesterday. Because the use of am and yesterday in the same sentence creates a tense mismatch. Tip number 5. Build vocabulary. Expand your vocabulary to express yourself precisely. Learn new words and try to incorporate them in your conversations. For instance, instead of saying I am tired, you can easily say I am exhausted. Tip number 6. Listen actively. Active listening is a secret weapon. Immerse yourself in English by watching movies, listening to songs, understanding English commentary of your favorite sports match, or following your favorite English-speaking influencers. Pay attention to how they construct sentences and use expressions. This will make your speaking skills shine. To sum it up, constructing correct sentences when speaking in English is an achievable task. Keep these pointers in mind and dedicate yourself to regular practice. Stay tuned for our next Speak Better, Write Better episode, and until then, make sure that your conversations with Grandma stay delightful, not digestive.